Nice CP Algebra 1 stir up here. Okay, so I wanted to review a little bit of multi-step and clearing fractions. So again, we're going to have another quiz on this stuff to make sure we feel good about it. So first problem, um, we're going to go ahead and combine like terms. So I'm going to wind up with 5x plus 6 on the left, 4x plus 8 on the right. Then we want to get x by itself. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 4x from both sides. So I'm going to get x plus 6 is equal to 8. Subtract 6. So I wind up getting x equals 2 as my solution to this problem. Okay. Next problem, we're going to combine like terms. So I have x on the same side, so I have 3x plus 5, and 3 equals 3x plus 5. Look at it, it's the same thing. So if I were to subtract 3x from both sides, notice I get 5 is equal to 5. So that's true, right? So that means we have infinite solutions. We're all real numbers. Might be another way we could say it. Okay. Next question. Let's see. I do have like terms over here, so I get 7x plus 2 is equal to 7x plus 5. Some of you might see what's going to happen here. I'm going to subtract 7x from both sides, and I get 2e is equal to 5. So that's false, right? So what's the solution? Yeah, it's empty set. There's no real solutions. All right, let's clear some denominators. Remember, we don't want to have a fraction in this. So 3, 2, and 6 all go into, or 3 and 2 both go into 6. So I'm going to multiply this by 6, and this by 6, and this by 6. Oh, put it there. So 3 is going to go into 6 twice, so I'm going to get 2x. 2 is going to go into 6 3 times, so that's going to give me 3x is equal to 6 times 6, which is 36. So I wind up with 5x equals 36. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5, so x equals 36 over 5. Leave it as an improper fraction. No reason to make that a mixed number. Okay, another one similar to everything. I'm going to multiply everything by 10 because 10 and 2 go into 10. So 5 goes into 10 twice, so that gives me 2x. 2 goes into 10 5 times, so that gives me 5x. And then 10 times 10 is 100, so that gives me 7x equals 100. Divide each side by 7. And again, I'm going to leave this as an improper fraction. 100 over 7 is a reduced fraction, okay? Next problem, still clearing the denominators. So it looks like I can multiply everything by 6 and reduce where I can. So 3 goes into 6 twice, so 2 times 2 is 4, so that gives me 4x over here, plus 30, nothing to clear on that middle part. And then 6 goes into itself once, 1 times 5 is 5. I'm going to subtract 30 from both sides. Divide each side by 4. So I get the improper fraction, 25 over 4. That is a reduced improper fraction. Next problem, we're going to go ahead and multiply everything by 6 because 2 and 6 both go into 6. So the first one's going to give me 18x. Oops, I don't want that. I don't know what that is. 18x. 2 goes into there 3 times, so that's plus 21. And then that gives me just 5. Subtract 21 from both sides. And is that what, negative 17? Yeah, and then divide each side by 18. Those cancel, so I get x equals negative 17 over 18. Could you have a clearing fraction that would still result in no solution or infinite solutions? Yeah, so let's ask about this. We can make this happen in class. So it's definitely possible that when we solve a problem, even when clearing the fractions, we could wind up with 4 equals 4 being infinite solutions, or we could have negative 7 is equal to 10, which is no solution, or no real solution, or we could use the term empty set. And then, can I have x equals 0 be an answer? And the answer is yes. This is an answer. X equals 0. 0 is a number, so that does exist. So x equals 0. That would mean that if you plug 0 back into your problem. We don't have a problem here, but it would indeed work out. Okay, have a great day, everybody. Make sure if you have any questions, you bring those to class. Have a great day. Take care of one another. Bye-bye.